How to make a Five Nights at Freddy's 1 Bonnie mask. You'll need a hot glue gun with lots of hot glue, a sewing machine, X-Acto blade, scissors, a ruler or a tape measure. Materials you will need are bluish purple anti-pill fleece, a light purple version of that, some black felt, plastic ornaments, velcro, duct tape, elastic bands, brad pins, oven baked clay. Materials I forgot to mention are saran wrap, 1-inch thick project foam, plastic canvas mesh, and black paint. Start by wrapping the project foam around your head and mark where it's not too tight or too loose. Use some pins and hot glue to secure the edges together. Mark at the halfway point and measure the circumference of the cylinder. Take your measurement and divide it by a high number like 7 through 10. That will be the number of triangles you use, and the number you get is the width of the bottom. Make the triangles about 3.5 inches tall and trace them onto the foam. Now cut it out. Hot glue all the triangles together, then wrap it and hot glue it onto another foam sheet. Trim the top off and trace it onto another foam sheet to make a circle shape, and that will be the dome on top. Cut out and hot glue another circle on top and trim it up to make the shape round. Cut the extra foam on the bottom off. Now draw on the face. This clip is from when I made my Freddy mask, but they have a similar facial structure, so that's why I'm using this clip. Use some extra foam to shape up the cheeks and hot glue them on. Hot glue 3 layers of 1-inch thick foam for the muzzle. Sketch the muzzle shape and then cut it out and trim it up. You should end up with something like this. Now hot glue about 10 square sheets onto each other. Now draw on the jaw shape. Now you want to cut all the foam sheets into the jaw shape. Trim it to make it smooth. Cut slits onto each side of the jaw and add cardboard squares or plastic mesh squares. Use mesh or cardboard to make these shapes as the jaw connectors. Now you want to add some of that fabric onto the head. Do this by saran wrapping half of the head and adding duct tape on top of that half. Now cut slits on the top of it to make it flat. Now trace it onto the purple fabric, and then you want to cut it out. Now you can either hot glue or sew the edges together. Repeat this step and flip the stencil over. Now either sew or hot glue the ends together. Flip it inside out, then hot glue it onto the foam head. Then just hot glue the fabric onto the jaw. Use the light purple fabric for the muzzle. Now use some extra foam to make the ears. Now cut them out and trim them up. Hot glue the fabric on as shown and hot glue the ears onto the head. Print out a picture of Bonnie's eyes, hot glue them into the ornaments and paint white around them, adding black felt on top for the eyebrows. The nose was just the deodorant cap I used. Make the teeth out of oven baked clay and hot glue them on. And that is how you make a Five Nights at Freddy's Bonnie mask. Sorry it wasn't a proper tutorial. I made this mask before I even started YouTube, and a lot of people wanted to know how I made it, so I thought I'd just make a compilation of all the different masks I've made and the process and just put it into one, and that's basically how I made it. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.